Hello friends, Running Kimono here. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of October the 10th to the 16th. Lots of little deals and steals in this ad. I am quite impressed. For a lot of you that are like, hey, this usually comes out on Friday, like what is going on? It is Thursday. Why it's a bit early is because of this. There is a Dollar General clearance event starting on Friday. Typically Friday is when people go out to the store and just go crazy, which I intend on doing. I will be busy with this all day. I have 2 different videos if you want to check them out. I will link them at the end and in the notes. Tons and tons of deals, even with digital coupons. We also have this that showed up this morning, different boosters. So check your store card if you might have received it and load it right away. As you can see, it's valid from the 10th to the 16th. This guy is also of a one-time use. Use your debit card, credit card, bills to pay for the balance. You got to get to $20 before a single coupon is applied, but yes, you can use coupons with it. And you cannot use your Walgreens cash or IVC coupons in concert with this, or it might make a mess as this is a spend booster. Okay guys, right now there is an opportunity to get a free 8x10 photo. You're going to order it through the Walgreens app. Opt to pick it up at store and use the code CHEESE8X10 and you will get 1 free 8x10 per store card. This little girl is one of our barn cats outside. Isn't she just a little cutie? Her name is Gray Suzu. Okay, so the first little dealio that we're going to talk about is this: to buy 4 of these products and get back a $6 register reward. How nice is that? So last week we did get a couple digital Tide coupons, so we're going to look at that. And if you might have been so lucky to get this guy, we're also going to throw this into the basket because we're so close to $20. Why not make it something really great? Okay, so just to give you a quick little visual, what do those digital coupons look like? Here they are. So if you just type in Tide, they should just pop up. And they're only $1. They're usually $2, so they've dropped a little bit. Not very happy about that. We also have these little candies. We got to grab one of them to get the balance right to $20 because we will be short if we just grab the Tide by like 4 cents. Now, if you might be so lucky to have this guy, let's throw one of these in as well, which is a $5 manufacturer register reward. Alternatively, there's also dollar coupons in the October P&G for the Tide products if you wish to use 2 of those. But I know a lot of you can't even get your hands on those Tide insert coupons, so let's throw in one of these for this matchup. Grabbing 4 Tides for $19.96. Remember, you're going to have to get at least 1 Tide Pod or liquid or mix and match, however you wish to do it. And then one of those caramels found at the checkout for 33 cents. Your total right there is $20.29. You're going to have the $2 digitals loaded along with the 5 back when you spend 20. And then you're also going to present that one $5 manufacturer register reward. So you're going to pay $13.29. Charge that to your debit card or pay cash bills, whichever one you wish to do. You're getting back a $6 register reward for the promotion and $5 of Walgreens cash, making it $2.29 for the 4 items. I believe this is a really okayest deal. And let's remember, do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance because you're using a spend booster in concert with this one. Now, with that $6 register reward, let's roll it into this deal. Like, why not? Those purex crystals are usually like $5.99 for one. I think they're made out of gold and magic. So if you're going to grab, say, 3 of those, that is $6 on the nose. Let's use that $6 register reward that we just got back from the Tide. And you're paying tax for this. So how smart of a deal is this one? Okay, now we have some Irish Spring. $3.99. We're going to have a 50-cent digital showing up on Sunday morning. $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So we haven't had a good body wash men's deal, so I like this one. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $7.98. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you can load that on Sunday morning. You're going to pay $7.48, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $2.48 for the 2 or $1.24 per body wash. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, if you're doing this deal on its own, absolutely go for it. And in this Sunday's Smart Source, there's supposed to be dollar coupons for this Irish Spring, so if you might have an opportunity to get your hands on some insert coupons, this would be a much better deal with those dollar coupons. Okay, so looking at this little bingo chart, let's grab 1 disposable razor, 1 fancy razor, and then 1 can of shaving cream. So we're going to grab those 3 items. We're going to have to load the 4 off digital, the 3 off digital, and the dollar digital. So all three of those on Sunday morning. Okay, and the promotion for this is to spend 15, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. That is a spend booster, so you have to use your debit card, credit card, or bills for the balance. So grabbing one Shick disposable, one fancy, and then one shaving cream, that's $17.97. Subtracting the $8 of digital manufacturers that will be available on Sunday, you're going to charge $9.97 to your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4.97 for the three, or $1.65 per item. Now let's marry the Irish Spring and the Shick deal together using this booster. Have a bit of fun. So we are going to have the two Irish Springs for $7.98, one Irish Spring the disposable, the fancy, and then the cream. So your new total is $25.95. We have our 5 back when you spend 20 booster loaded, along with $8.50 of digitals coming off. You're charging $17.45 to your debit card and getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. 5 for the spend 20 booster, 5 for the Irish Spring, and then 5 for Shick. $2.45 for the 5 items, or 49 cents each. Let's remember not to use your Walgreens cash to pay this down, because you're using multiple spend offers and it's going to monkey things up. Now let's just pretend if your local newspaper gets these $4 coupons for the disposable razors. I mean, there's a really good deal to be had and found. We're obviously going to load that $4 digital, and then in the Sunday Smart Source, we're going to need 2 of these. And as per the verbiage in the coupon, yes, you can use 2 of these. It says 2 identical coupons per person, blah, blah, blah in there, so you can use 2. So grabbing 3 of the disposable razors, that's $17.95. They're $5.99 a pop. Subtracting the 1 digital and then the 2 from the Smart Source, you're paying $5.97. Charge that to your debit card, credit card, or cash bills, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it 97 cents for the 3. As this is a spend promotion, spend 15, get back 5. Do not use your Walgreens cash for the balance. This is kind of a different one, so pay attention. Okay, so off of this little bingo chart, we have the promotion of buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. We have some free dental care right at the top. And then we're going to look at the diapers and then the U by Kotex as well. So this little offer, they're $3 a pop. We have dollar digital coupons. I think you could see where this is going. So maybe there might be some new Crest coupons on Sunday. Let's hope. So grabbing 1 paste and 1 mouthwash, that is $6 on the nose. Remember, they're $3 each. Subtracting the $2 digitals, that's $2 off right there. Pay $4, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. If you wish to use a little bit, spend it to earn it, you can absolutely do that, and you will still earn your Walgreens cash for this scenario because it is a buy promotion. Okay, the U by Kotex is 2 for $10. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So you will pay $7 and then get back $4 in Walgreens cash if you are in desperate need of this. I'm wondering if the tampons will be part of it. Grabbing 2 of them for $10, subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $7. Getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it 3 for $2 or $1.50 per. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, so you're really not filling this one out of pocket, you can absolutely do it if you're doing this deal on its own. Okay, now a little teeny diaper deal. These are 2 for $18, and there's going to be a 4 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. So grabbing 2 of these bags for $18 on the nose, subtracting that 4 off of 2 digital, you're paying $14 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per bag. If you're doing this deal on its own and you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it. And let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. Huggies is part of their catalog. Yes, you will get back extra points for that purchase. Okay, now the hair care stuff is to spend $20 and get back $5 in Walgreens cash. We're specifically going to look at the Head & Shoulders that's BOGO 50% off. There is a 3 off of 2 digital, so hopefully you still have that one. Along with, we're going to grab 3 Pantenes, and there's a 5 off of 3 digital. And as you can see, if you look at the bottom, it says $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. It is on the same promotion. Now, to make this a better deal, let's throw in this booster if you might have it. 5 back when you spend $20. Okay, so looking at this deal, 2 Head & Shoulders on a BOGO 50% off is $10.48. 3 Pantenes is $12 for a total of $22.48. We have our 5 back when you spend $20 booster loaded, along with the 3 off of 2 and the 5 off of 3 digital coupons. You're paying $14.48 with your debit card, credit card, cash bills, getting back $10 of Walgreens cash, $5 for the shampoo promotion, and $5 for the booster, making it $4.48 for the 5 or 89 cents per shampoo. And let's remember not to use Walgreens cash because these are two different spend boosters with this promotion, and it will cause a mess if you use Walgreens cash. Okay, so now we're going to be grabbing 2 of the 9-count 36 mega rolls of Cottonelle. This is a really good stock-up price. This stuff is not cheap. And then recently we were receiving these 5 off of 2, so I hope you still have one loaded. I was telling you guys a couple weeks back to load them. So it's either the 5 or a 4 off of 2. And then we're going to throw in this booster if you might have it. Maybe another one will come out of the Catalina machine for you. Maybe something exciting. Who knows? And then to get our basket right to 20 buckos, we're going to grab one of these little candies. So looking at the mathematics for this one, 2 of the Cottonelles is $19.98, and then 1 caramel is 33 cents for a total of $20.31. We have our booster loaded, along with that 1 5 off of 2 digital will be coming off. You're charging $15.31 to your debit card for this purchase, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the basket. It makes it $10.31 for the 2 or $5.15 per pack. This is like a pack that's almost like $13. Do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, or you will not earn more for this one because you're using a spend booster. And let's not forget to take a quick photo to the Fetch Rewards app, as Cottonelle is part of their catalog. Okay, now we have a little Colgate deal, and this is actually a moneymaker. A very generous 4 off of 2 will be showing up on Sunday morning, along with a $5 register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of the Colgate products, I really hope the brushes are included. That's $7.98, subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital. You're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward, making this free plus a $1 moneymaker. If you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, if you're doing this specific deal on its own, absolutely go for it. Okay, so let's take a quick second now to look at some honorable mentions. The first one is this one. I mean, if you want to use one of those $5 register rewards or $5 of Walgreens cash for either the All or Snuggle, these are the big mamas. They're not the itty bitty ones, so not a bad little deal. $6.99, $2 digital, dropping it down to $4.99. We also have the Dawn. I really love this dish soap. I was never a fan until I started watching these cleaners on TikTok, and they are right. It really cuts the grease, so 99 cents for the blue Dawn. And we have this little flyer coupon. You just load it digitally, 99 cents for the Walgreens brand foil, paper plates, all that stuff for a really nice cookout in the middle of October. And then the soda, 3 for $9.99. It's definitely the Pepsi this week. I think Coke is like, almost $13 for 3, which is like a bit rich for my taste. And look at this, guys, $3.29 for that tube of ground beef. That was always $2.99. Little something called inflation. Scared to look at other food prices over there, but it's just a sign of what's going on right now. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys!